Mwana wapita chiyembekezo chazila ndiuze ndani. Mai wapita sada uoni zipato za luso langu nchito yangu ana wangu iambira patine mafunso 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 mafunso.
Look, I swear this life is like a book as I've been through some chapters. I'm the one that paints the picture, I was never captured. But I've been around in circles, man, you know I'm tired. Cause I had the right questions, but they were left unanswered. Dala inapita wa, wacha ingo sika wa. Chili jose chikunyasa, ndeki zingo spita bra. O mama kukweza ndi o, moyo mama kutita wa. Mtu walingati kwaya, I'm a sita bra, I'm bigger bra. See I'm tired of skipping all these questions. Heard somebody say I wasn't dressed for the occasion, so I get to wear Dior just to prove that I'm a Christian. Now I'm something like the letter N, the center of attention. When I'm pointing out the things that we hate, I'm on Kachala. Why you questioning the things that I make? Halibe answer, they will bring you down whatever it takes. Taona waja ukayesela kufunza, they planning for your departure. Hey.